Namaste. Welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today let's understand what is the procedure while constructing the house. So what are the important measures that we have to follow before buying the land? First, find out whether the shape of the land is square or rectangle. It should not be any kind of extension should not be there. Find out the surroundings. The first point is find out the surroundings of the land, and also next comes the shape of the land, and third one comes the number is very important because wherever the total, when you add a total number, suppose 2 1 3, so 2 1 equals 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6, total number comes 6. So the adipati, the landlord, so whichever land you are staying, the who that will be the ruler of that particular plot. So what you can do, you can check with the number whether that house number is suitable for your date of birth or not. Suppose if it is not suitable, there isn't remedies that you can take and go ahead. Next steps comes from whom you are purchasing. It's clearly mentioned in the shastras, like from certain people we should not purchase the land, so that you can consult me personally, like from whom you are purchasing the land, that I will give the guidance. So, from whom you are purchasing the land. And the next comes energizing the land. Check whatever when you visit to the land. So, what is there that in symptoms? If there's any burnt cloths or any dustbins is there in the people have thrown the dust there, or any mud is there, a stone is there. Try to observe the land before you purchase the land. So try to observe all these things like before you purchase the land. The next point comes like energizing your land is very important before the construction. As I told you, so energizing the land is very important. Nobody is concerned or worried about energizing the land. I'm talking completely about the science. See, under the earth, people may throw the dustbins. People who have died, their bed, their clothes, they will come and take and throw it on somebody which is on the empty sites. If some dog is died, they will get that dog, they will dig the mud in somebody's site, they will put it and close it. The owner will not come to know what has happened in his site. And immediately, this is all called as Shalya doshas. So when you construct the house on this, you can never see a prosperity. See, not only Vastu is not something only if you do structurally, you'll become good, everything is all right. It's not like that. There is a process for each and every process. It's clearly mentioned. When we follow only, we will get the benefits, no? So we are not following the benefits or proper procedure of Vastu, what Vishwakarma has told in the book, the procedure of the following of the construction. Nowadays, everywhere we see you do structural changes, elements, that's all, Vastu is done. It's not like that, my dear friends. There is a time vastu that we have to follow. Like I'll tell you in further, like next I'll be telling you like how to follow that. So energizing the land, check the land whether from how is the condition of the land, color of the land, so her taste of the mud, it is clearly mentioned. So everything you have to see, is there any geopathic stress in the land? Suppose if you have, this is your land, okay, this is your southwest where we usually do the bath, like bedroom, master bedroom we'll be doing. Suppose the geopathic line is passing like this. You make a bedroom on this. You don't know what's happening, you get the health issues. You're bound to get health issues because what is geopathic stress? Under the earth, there is a lot of chemical reactions happening under the earth. The lot of heat, lot of chemical reactions passing, lot of waters, lot of chemical reactions are happening under the earth. That radiations comes to the earth till the 14 or 15 floors wherever we sleep. When you sleep on this, your cells get damaged when you sleep on that particular geopathic stress. This is a science I'm talking about. You would have seen a lot of accident prone zones. This is also called geopathic stress, where there is a lot of dead people's bones are together, it is there under the earth. So the person gets accident often in the same place, he will die, many people will die in the same place. So why? Because of the geopathic negative energy stress, so they face this problem. So get it checked before the how is your earth land energy, how it is. So do you have, because you will not come to know. So through the scanners we can find out the geopathic stress very easily. Geopathic stress, after once you are okay. So suppose think that you already, madam, I already got the negative in the scanner, like we have something wrong. So what we have to do, we have rods like which is energizing rods. So we will be placing in the geopathic stress, wherever we find, wherever the line is passing, we'll place the geopathic stress rod, so that will completely neutralize the negative effect of the geopathic stress. So next comes the Vastu alignment. Later on comes the Vastu alignment that you can think. These are the important points that you have to keep it in your mind before buying the land or before construction. After seeing this geopathic checking, then you can go for structural changes. So you have to go for, as per Vastu, you have to build your house. So, and also you have to build it in an energized way. These are the main important points that you have to keep it in the mind when you are buying the land or buying any property. So any kind of guidance regarding the land activations or any consultation if you need, you can contact to the below numbers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.